Hello, everyone. Let's see. Welcome, welcome. Let's see. Let everybody come into class today. Hi, everyone. I know it's very strange for everyone to have their cameras off. I know it's very strange. This is Lucy, Miss Lucy Goose. Um, but I have your cameras off for a reason. We're going to be recording these so that if you have to miss a class or if you need to review any of the materials that we've done during class, you can go back and do that on YouTube. So I will post this on YouTube tomorrow. Okay. So if there's anything on here that you need to go over again, you'll be able to find it on YouTube. It says theory class and today's date. Okay, and we'll be doing that each week. Hopefully it'll work out really well. What I wanted to do today, everyone, welcome back. I know it's been a long time since we've had a theory class. So what I'd like to do is the big review today. We'll start with some blue Jello cards. Next week, please bring a ball, a tennis ball, or one of the racket balls that I gave out to people. But definitely bring a ball next week and we will do some rhythm fun at our next class. Okay, so before we do our blue Jello cards, let's start with some clapbacks. Okay, here we go. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, let's see. Yeah, please keep yourself muted unless you have a question. If you have a question, absolutely unmute yourself and ask a question, but please wait until after our exercise is over. Awesome. Okay, so let's start this big review. I know it's been a while. Now, please say your blue Jellos out loud, okay? If you're an old hand at this, if you really know these, go ahead and clap them, but say your blue Jellos out loud as well. It really does help you to keep that steady, steady rhythm, okay? So here we go. If you know it well enough to clap, that's great. If it's your first time, let's just learn the rhythms, okay? Here we go. Blue, 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 blue. I'm not gonna hold all of these at once. These are heavy. Okay, here we go. Jello, 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 jello. Here we go. And blue, blue, jello, blue, blue. Blue, jello, blue, blue, jello. Excellent. Blue, jello, blue, jello, rest. Remember, when you say your rest, whisper it, rest, like that. Okay. Rest, 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 rest. Excellent. Okay, here we go. Rest, rest, jello, rest, jello. Jello, rest, jello, blue, rest. Blue, rest, rest, blue. Rest, Jello, jello, jello. Rest. Excellent. Lots of jellos here. Jello, 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 jello. Whew, that was lots of jello. Blue, rest, rest. Jello, jello. So our jellos can be grouped in a 4. Notice it's one line on top, or it can be grouped in a 2. It can actually be grouped in a 1. I'll show you when we get to 1. Here we go. Jello, 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 jello. Blue, jello, rest. Jello, jello. So you could describe the blue. It does not have a bar on top. And that rest looks kind of like a squiggle, doesn't it? Okay, here we go. Oh, a new one. That's a to-oo. If you're clapping it, don't forget that we clapped it like this. To-oo. Okay. If you're just learning it, don't clap yet. Just say the words. Okay, here we go. Jello, jello, to-oo. Rest. To-oo, to-oo, to-oo. Blue, blue, jello, to-oo. To-oo, rest, rest, blue. So these are all the ones we know already, and we're just sort of putting them in different orders to reinforce. Here we go. Blue, blue, to-oo, blue. Rest, rest, rest. Pineapple, that's a new one. So let's do a pineapple. Pineapple, your turn. 1, 2, ready, go. Pineapple. Let's do 3 pineapples. 1, 2, ready, go. Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. A pineapple is a triplet. Triplet, triplet, because we have a 3 there. And it's okay if you don't remember. I'll keep telling you. Triplet, 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 but we say pineapple. Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. As long as we're doing it correctly. Oh boy, we have a whole bucket of pineapples here. Here we go. Triplets galore. 1, 2, ready, go. Pineapple, 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 pineapple. Excellent. Pineapple, 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 rest. Jello. Rest. Blue, pineapple, jello, jello. We're getting there. Pineapple, to-oo, rest. Oh, here we go. This is another 2-beat rest. It's a half rest because it looks like a half. If it was a whole rest, it would be so full that it's hanging off the line, but it's not. It's a half rest. Here we go. Ready, go. Jello, jello, rest, rest. Pineapple. Rest, rest. It's a resting rest. Rest, rest. 2-oo. So this is a 2-beat rest, and this is a 2-beat note. They're equal. One is a note, one is a rest. They just take up the same amount of space. They take up the same amount of space in music. So when a lot of people will say that's a rest, it doesn't get any beats, it most certainly does. This gets the same amount of beats as this. 2 beats for a rest, 2 beats for a note. Okay, we only have 2 more cards to do. Speaking of 2s, ready, and pineapple, blue, rest, rest, blue. Two, rest, rest, jello. Okay, so we will do the other side next time. Okay, we don't need to do all of both sides today. So let's go over some reading skills today. Yay, I like this part. This is my favorite toy that I have. Well, it's one of my favorite toys, but I love, love, love this. This is the what? Now, if you know the answer, you can always put it in the chat or you can unmute yourself. So this is the grand staff, treble clef, bass clef, treble clef, G clef, bass clef, F clef. Can we say those together? We're going to go back and forth. Ready, go. Treble clef, G clef, bass clef, F clef, treble clef, G clef, bass clef, F clef. So this wraps around the G line. That's why we call it the G clef. Plus it kind of looks like a fancy G, doesn't it? Kind of does, looks like a fancy G. So that's the treble clef, G clef. Bass clef, F clef, because this big ball is on the F line. It's okay if you don't remember all this. I will keep reminding and keep reminding. Okay, so let's talk about what the most important, the whole reason I have this out is today we are going to talk about C's. Find the C's. Find the C's. Okay, let's start with, oh, I don't know if I can write like this. Oh, this would be really cool if I could. I don't think I can. Let's see if I can. I did it. Look, there's your first C. That's middle C. I can't believe I did it. So middle C is in the middle here. Middle C is a line note because there's a line going through it. Okay. Line note. Middle C is a line note. Now let's go up to treble C. Let's talk about treble C. Treble C is 3 spaces up. Boop, 1, 2, 3. So middle C, treble C. And then the next boop, boop, boop is 3 spaces down. That's the bass C. Now these also happen to be, if you're a pianist with me, these two happen to be the twinkle C's. Right hand twinkle C, left hand twinkle C. Usually the right hand plays the top. Well, always the right hand plays the top and the left hand plays the bottom line. So the right hand plays up here on this line, woo, everything on this line. And the left hand plays down here, everything on this line. And in the middle, it's suspect. It can go either way. So those are our main C's that we're going to learn today. We have 2 more that we're going to learn next time, but let's review these again. Let me just close this before I start writing on everything in the room. Have you done that before? Left a pen or pencil or something open and been walking around just written on all sorts of things by accident? Yeah, that's something I do. Middle C, line note. It's in the middle, in between. It's the most important note. So if you don't remember any note at all, this is the one I expect you to remember. I expect everyone to remember middle C. Middle C. Say it with me. 1, 2, 3. Middle C. Again, 1, 2, 3. Middle C. Okay, this is high C because we went up 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. And this is low C because we went down 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. So your twinkle C's, your high C and low C, are on spaces. 3 spaces up and 3 spaces back. Does everybody see that? Now, you guys can either, if you have a question, I'm going to stop for a moment. And if anybody has a question, you can either put it in chat or you can unmute yourself and ask me, and maybe I can answer it. So I'm going to give it a second. Does anybody have any questions before we keep going? We did the rhythm clapbacks, and we did middle C, high C, and low C, our 2 twinkle Cs. Okay, so no questions on that so far. Okay, let me get a sip. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my camera off for, no, I'm not. I'm going to leave it on. Play a little bit down here. Okay, we're going to listen for happy and sad, remember? So you can either write it in the chat box, or you can wait until I say go, and you can unmute and say it, and then mute yourself back again. But wait till I say go, give everybody a chance to listen, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna play some things, and you think to yourself, does this sound happy or sad? Major or minor? Oh, I have something to remind us. So this one, happy or sad? Major, minor. Okay, minor is sad, that's the little m. Major is happy. If you can't remember those, just say happy or sad. Okay, here we go. Don't unmute or put anything in chat until I say go. Okay, because everybody will see the answer. So wait for go. Wait, one more. Let me play it one more time. If you want to put it in chat, put it in chat. Happy or sad, major or minor. Ooh, I see lots of answers. If you don't know how to use chat, you can unmute and say the answer. Excellent job, everyone. That was major. That was happy. Yeah. Excellent. Oh, I see lots of answers on there. Great. Okay. Listen to the next one. Are you ready? Let me play it one more time. So just listen. I see some answers coming in. Excellent. That's right.
Major.
Not major.
I mean minor.
Minor, that's right. It's the sad one. Excellent. Ready for another one? Here we go. I'm going to make it harder this time. How about I make it a scale? Okay, here we go. Happy or sad? Major or minor? Yes, good. I see some answers coming in. Excellent. If you want to unmute and say it out loud, you can. That's right. Correct. Correct. Excellent. That is major or happy. Okay, let's do another one. Here we go. Sorry. Ooh, somebody got it correct. Keep going. Anybody else? Oh, yes, that's right. Excellent. Anybody else know the answer before I say it? Does anybody want to say it? It's minor or sad. Very good. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep this going. We're going to do just a couple more, okay? Let me do it twice. Played the chord at the end, so you really get the full quality. Excellent. I see some great answers coming in here. That was an interesting answer. No, it is that okay, but I got what you meant. Sad. It is a sad one. It is minor. Excellent. Excellent. One more. You ready? Here we go. One more time. Let me play it one more time. Ah, I can't trick you, can I? Oh, I'm not tricking anybody tonight. Excellent. That was really good. It is major. Excellent. So if you want to do some ear training, everyone, you can go ahead and hop on here and roll through these again. Okay? We went over your C's. Now let's go over some solfege. Let's review that. Here we go. Do, re, mi. So let's just go up to sol. Yeah, we're going to go up to sol and then back and then we'll finish it. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do, do. I just like doing that because it's fun. Okay, here we go. Let's go all the way up. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. T looks like you're doing the goalpost almost, or you're pointing up like you're almost to do, almost there. You're sort of pointing up in that direction. Okay, are you ready? Let's go ahead and practice going up, forwards, and going backwards. Here we go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Let's go backwards. Ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Not bad. Now, when we were in our last group class, we were learning about intervals, and we were doing both the ear training, and we were learning how they looked on the staff, how far apart they were. But we're gonna leave that for today. We're gonna leave the intervals for today, and we'll do those next time. So let's do some more. Let's do some more solfege for a minute. I'm gonna do it, and then you do it back. Okay, here we go. Do, re, do. Your turn. Do, re, mi, mi. Do, re, mi, mi. Here we go. Mi, re, do, do, do. Do, mi, sol, sol, mi. Your turn. Excellent. Now I'm going to change keys. We use what's called movable do. Very quickly, I'm going to take you into a different key. Do, 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 mi, do, your turn. Do, mi, do. One more time. Do, mi, sol, mi, do. Do, mi, sol, mi, do. Excellent. Okay, so our classes are going to be about 20 to 25 minutes. And so I'm going to say goodbye to everybody, and I will post this tomorrow on YouTube so you can go back and rewind and review to make sure that you know your C's. Make sure you know those blue jellos. It's a great review for everybody. And my next student, I'm not going to say your name out loud, but go out and then come back in, because I'm going to close off the meeting now and then come on back in for your lesson. All right. Bye, everybody. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
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 Bye.